Hello my loves, today I am super stoked for this video because if you guys couldn't guess by the title already, it's my Geek Gear unboxing of the Luna Lovegood Special Edition box. Guys, I have been waiting for this box for over 2 months. It was delayed because of the current situation of the world right now, so everything's, you know, a little tricky and everything's getting delayed in the mail. But this morning my sister came and she goes, guess what came today? And I was like, oh my gosh, I was freaking out because I was waiting for this for such a long time. So let's cut all this chit chat and let's dive right on in because I'm super impatient and I had to open this on camera, guys. So even though I waited over 2 months for this, I still didn't unbox it until I was on camera. So you guys get a sneak peek first. I don't know if you guys can see that. So now it is my turn to go into this box. Oh my gosh, I am liking what I see so far. So let's see, what's this? Oh my god, are you kidding me? I had to be very gentle with this. I should have got scissors. I should have known better, you know, than to just sit here without some scissors. Let's see if I can open this without. I am loving this. Oh my god. This is so cute! No one seems to believe me that nargles are real. You'll need to wear some special glasses to see them. Nargles are attracted to mistletoe. Avoid contact as unwanted side effects may occur. This is super cute! How clever is this? No wonder the box was so heavy. I was like, ooh, what's that? I am loving that. Wiggly worms on my ground. That's okay though. Oh, I thought it got in my shirt. In my dress, I mean. Oopsies. I'm too excited, guys. So next I just dropped something. Hopefully that did not break. So next we have a t-shirt. This is super cute. It's Luna sneakers. I love this so much. And I will so be wearing this, guys. Oh my gosh. Super cute. I'm loving this box so far. It was well worth the wait. Oh my god. Why? Why must they do this to me? I just like redid my room again for the millionth time and now I had to make space for this on my wall. How do you even open this? Oh my god! Ah! I am just obsessed with Luna. Like, who isn't? Look at this. This is stunning! I am in love. Oopsies. Look at that. I'm in love with this. I love this so much. It's not even funny. Oh my gosh. And let's see what else we have in here. I'm seeing so much stuff. Oh no, why am I dropping everything? How much stuff is in this box? Is this a... Shut up! This is a pillowcase? Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me right now? This was so worth every penny. I'm not even kidding. Like, I am so happy today. This is awesome. Like, I can't. I just can't. This is... Oh, that's a cheat sheet. We don't want that. Oh my. Spectra specs as a necklace. I have 2 of these already, but who cares? I mean, the more the merrier, right? And then, oh my gosh, her dirigible plum earrings, which I'm wearing the ones from Hot Topic right now. But oh my god, these are super cute. I'm loving this box. I love this box. I'm so obsessed. And now, if I can get the last items out without bending them. Guys, are you kidding me? Look at these prints. Alright, and they also sent another one of the same prints, so I do not know if that was an accident or that was on purpose, but guys, either way, I'm really happy about this. Like, super cute. And last but not least, guys, what's this? Oh my god. Are you kidding me right now? I have the Funko Pop of this right behind me somewhere. Where is she? She's not accessible right now. I don't know where she is. She's somewhere back there, but they made a like statue of it. This is stunning. Oh my god, she's gonna look so cute on my shelves. This box like melted my heart. This made my day 1000% better. I'm so happy today. I mean, this box is everything. I mean, don't get me wrong, I was super impatient because I was like, I want this box like ASAP, but it was so worth the wait. I just love it so much. Everything in here is spectacular, guys. Alright, my babies, and that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell if you guys want to see more videos like this. I also do skip videos, DIYs, fashion videos, makeup tutorials. You guys name it, I have a variety on my channel. So don't forget to click that subscribe button. Leave some comments down below. Let me know, guys, what did you guys think about this box? Did you guys get this on your own or did you guys pass on it? I would love to know your feedback down below. And until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on